Alexis, now you have to find the Easter Bunny left Easter eggs all over the house.
He hid them with little gifts inside. Got special little... Let's see if we can find some eggs.
Let me see. I think I see one over there, Alexis. Look, on your poly car. Oh my!
Oh,
What
there's
is
a
it?
lot more. Let's line them up. We should put them in a...
Put it on the couch.
There's more, Alexis.
There's a lot of them.
Do you see any more?
Let's go look and see.
Come on.
Well, that's not going to go anywhere. Okay.
I think I see another one.
Oh my. I see a couple.
Oh!
Jackpot. I'll try and find more.
Any more?
Let's look.
You gotta look for more, Lex.
Let's see.
Do you see any more anywhere?
Anything over here?
No, leave that. Okay, let's leave Tori's basket alone. That's very nice. Look, Lexi, do you see any more eggs anywhere? The Easter Bunny put eggs places. Do you see them up there?
Yeah. Now how many do you have? How many? How many is that? 1, 2, 3. Let's go see if we can find more.
Garbage for the... I didn't look at that yet, thank you.